everyone, I'm Ava and welcome to my beauty pantry, where it's all about positive aging and keeping it real. Today I'll be demonstrating my neck routine using my Feipushi microcurrent device. This routine is quite comprehensive, and what I've done is I've made a full video on it, my whole routine, and this is a section. I'm going to do 3 parts, and this is the first part, which will be my neck. I would recommend before we start, if you get a chance, just look at my full Feipushi routine. The beginning of that video explains a little bit why I do the routine that I am doing. So if you get a moment, just check that out. I'll link it in the description box below. Okay, let's get into it. I'm going to apply some of the ordinary buffet copper peptides serum to my skin, because as we know, microcurrent is a great tool for penetrating product. So I just put that on. I'm just going to spritz my face with a bit of mineral water. Mineral water is also a great conductive agent, so you can just use mineral water on its own if you like. I find that for me, I need to feel that glide. I don't think that mineral water alone provides enough glide for me, so I will apply my aloe gel. If you have any conductive gel, that's fine. Aloe gel store-bought. I actually make my own aloe gel, which, you know, not everybody likes aloe gel, especially if it's homemade. It might be a little bit too thin for you, but you need to try different gels to find out what suits you best. Alright, if the gel or whatever conductive product you're using starts to dry out a bit, just spritz it with some mineral water to bring it back to life. Now I am using my Feipushi on level 5, but I recommend, if you're starting out, use it on a lower level and work your way up. You need to use your microcurrent device on a level that's comfortable for you. This is just the level that I use it at, so you need to play around with that. So I'm going to start like that. Now you avoid your thyroid area, so you stay on the sides. And working up to the ears. Now normally I would do 5 passes, but they recommend 3, so for this video we're going to be doing 3 passes. And I'm working up and out and up. And I wait for the beeps before I do a new pass. We go up and hold until we hear the beep, and we go up, 1 beep, hold, up for 1 beep, hold for 1 beep, hold for 1 beep. ears. And then I turn it around, go under and up and hold. Under, up and hold. So it's a total of 2 bips. Under, up, and then hold for the next bip. And that's it. So that was my routine for my neck. Now, of course, this is just a routine that I'm doing, and you can adapt the routine to suit your own needs. There is a Feipushi Facebook group, and I will put the link to that in the description box. So if you'd like to join us there, we'd love to see you. I hope that you have gotten something out of this, and you can adapt some or all of the routine to suit yourself. Well, that's it for today's video, and thank you for joining me again. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. I'd love to have you follow my journey. Until next time, take care. Bye for now.